How to choose the right trading asset. What currency pairs provide stable income? Which strategy is the best to choose for each currency pair? Hello everyone, my name is Victoria and I'm glad to see you on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn the main currency pairs that binary options traders trade on. I will probably make a part 2, so subscribe not to miss it. Binary options currency pairs are the main instrument of the foreign exchange market and, in particular, the binary options market. From my personal experience, most traders prefer pairs such as EUR USD and GBP USD. However, there are many more other profitable currency pairs on the market. The pain of choosing a trading asset is well known to newcoming traders. Surely you can make a stable profit anywhere from stocks to futures and options. But if you are at the beginning of your career and do not have enough experience with complex financial instruments, the best solution would be to choose the main currency pairs for binary options trading. Oh, and by the way, today I'm going to show you how I trade with the pocket option broker, so stay tuned for that. And a little disclaimer. All percentages listed below are averages and are for informational purposes only. Now we will begin to analyze the main currency pair, and as I've said, it will probably take several videos, so stay tuned for that. So let's start with the first currency pair. EUR USD, the main currency pair which accounts for up to 30% of the binary options deals. Together with the US dollar, the EU currency represents the basis of financial flows in the stock and foreign exchange markets. Besides the spot contracts, all types of financial instruments are presented in euro. Currency futures, options, derivatives, shares in ETF funds, European stock indices. EUR USD also influences Asian pairs, so all traders should be able to understand its movement. I will analyze all currency pairs from the perspective of fundamental factors and technical analysis and strategy. Fundamental factors. There's a fairly large amount of analytics as well as economic statistics and other data from the Eurozone, using which you can make high probability forecasts for all EUR assets. Other assets that have an impact are US indicators, changes in commodity markets, and the actions of large banks. Technical analysis and strategies. As the most basic currency pair, the euro has the lowest spread and the highest accuracy of quotes from the most brokers. Maximum activity obviously occurs in the European session, but with the EUR JPY cross, you can get the stable profits in the Asian period. Trading features. All assets that include euro work well with technical and candlestick patterns. Any strategy can be used. Trend, scalping, hedging, range breakout or rebound, support or resistance levels, and others. But for medium and long-term transactions, it is better to focus on trend options. Strong fundamental data is required to change direction. Almost half of the euro trading volume comes from cross pairs, the most significant of which is EUR GBP, Euro Pound Sterling. Stable volatility of 70 to 80% combined with small spreads makes it possible to make money even from scalping. Next currency pair, GBP USD. Statistics of the impact on the binary options market are quite contradictory, but if we take average values, then the daily turnover is at least 9 to 11% of the total volume. The fact that one of the world's leading economies at the global financial center did not join the Eurozone at a certain time created a unique situation in the binary options market. A full-fledged counterbalance to EUR USD with high liquidity appeared. Fundamental factors. Factors such as the actions of the Bank of England, the volume of the GBP, the reaction of the pound and major currency pairs usually lags behind within these criteria. Business activity index, unemployment rate, consumer interest, and retail sales indices are secondary factors. Technical analysis and strategies. The best results are shown by medium and long-term strategies and intraday scalping. Techniques of a breakout or rebound from price levels give a large number of false signals. Cross pairs with the pound sterling work similarly to the euro. As always, careful analysis of the second asset is required. And the last currency pair for today is USD CHF. Daily volume is 4% of the total binary options volume. Despite the low number, the Swiss franc is not inferior to the value of the major currency pairs in the foreign exchange market. The stability of the economy and the centuries-old reliability of the banking sector attracts investors, and the USD CHF continues to be the most reliable currency pair. Fundamental factors. Before May 15, 2015, the pair's rate was strictly tied to the movement of the EUR USD, and the unexpected cancellation of the currency corridor led to an increase in relation to the main currency pairs by 20–30%, which led to an imbalance not only in the foreign exchange market but also in the European stock market. Then there was a correction to a fairer price, followed by an upward trend that has continued to this day. The Swiss National Bank has a policy of zero and negative interest rates to support foreign investments and low inflation. In addition to the Swiss bank data, the exchange rate is influenced by major news and statistics for the United States. Technical analysis and strategies. The USD CHF trend is smooth and lacks sudden movements, which makes it possible to effectively use all basis graphical and technical patterns. Using the appropriate strategies for each session, you can make a profit throughout the trading day. Features of the USD CHF trading. The main problem is a regular flat in a narrow range, followed by a resumption of the trend. Therefore, we close the position if there is no obvious movement within 5 to 7 bars. After the cancellation of the currency corridor, the price moves in the range indicated in the figure, and so far there are no prerequisites for breaking through it. Therefore, we trade for a rebound, which is more likely. The franc has clear seasonal changes, which can be taken into account in long-term strategies for optimal entry and exit. By the way, in my Telegram channel, I publish deals every day so that you can find them for yourself and try to make money. Link to my Telegram channel is in the description below. Now let's look at a few deals in practice. So let's see how the three currency pairs I told you about today work in practice. Let's find them. First, let's find the necessary pairs and close the unnecessary ones. So, the EUR USD, GBP USD, and USD Swiss franc. Great. Let's start with them. Let's set the deal for 2 minutes and $100. Well, we will work according to the strategy, support and resistance levels. So now I opened a deal, AUDCAD for 2 minutes. It's okay, we'll leave it with that. And so we see now the support level has rebounded, and here the chart should, in theory, grow. We have seen a downtrend. here. Let's build here along the extremum. And now we see that it's quite possible that the graph will grow. Here is the first point, but we needed at least 2 or 3 more extreme points. We see how at the last second the chart bounced. It's no big deal. Let's now increase the deal amount to $200. And we'll go with the currency pairs that we have chosen. Let's try the euro currency pair. And now this is the chart. Here is the EUR USD currency pair chart. Now we build support and resistance lines. We can see a trend. But there is a rebound. Let's now try to open a deal for 2 minutes. Great. The deal made a profit of $184. Let's see what the situation was. We initially identified 2 levels. Here is the support level and the resistance level. Next, we saw how the support lines were formed. We had a downtrend, then there was a reversal and an uptrend. We built a trend based on 3 extreme points. Then we witnessed a rebound. A new support level was formed, and then the chart rebounded again and went up the trend. We can now open another deal for 2 minutes. Great, the deal went well. We see that we now have a new uptrend. I built a second trend line based on 3 extremes, and you and I can even earn some more money. But most likely the graph will now unfold. We see what has already happened in this place, breaking through the resistance line. Here we see most likely the chart will reverse. Let's try the next currency pair. I opened the GBP USD currency pair for 2 minutes. Now we will build a line with you. So we see the support line here, a sideways movement here, then a reversal, and a clear uptrend. And now we can clearly see this situation. A rebound occurred from the resistance line here in this point. Great, we're up and running again. And so let's see what we got. We were opening deals on the currency pairs that I talked about in today's video. EUR USD, GBP USD. And we can see that these are very, very good pairs for trading. And our first currency pair, which is AUD CAD, it was not included in today's video. It went negative for us. So let's sum everything up. All of these currency pairs have high liquidity and typically have tighter spreads, making them attractive to traders. Understanding the major currency pairs and their relations will help a trader make more informed decisions when trading on binary options market and any brokers. Traders often monitor economic news and events that may affect the rates of major currency pairs. I'm sure this video will help you better understand this approach to trading. Like this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!